Hey guys, my name's Randall, and I'm really totally electric to show you my new room. Come on, I got a lot of good goodies to show you guys. You guys are gonna flip out when you see this. Don't mind the trash can. I had some ravioli for lunch. This is it. This is my Mario collection. Look at that. That's a blooper. Bet you didn't know that. There's the Mario Bros themselves. That's Mario if you didn't know. And that's Luigi in the back. I wanted to put Luigi in the back kind of to show you that, you know, he always gets the second-hand stuff. This here is a real priceless relic. Well, it will be in a few years. It's Super Mario All-Stars for the Wii. Bet you never saw that before. That's my coin block. Look at that. A Game & Watch collection still sealed in the wrapper. It fetches for quite a high price. Oh, and there's Yoshi, Mario's faithful companion. Bet you didn't know Yoshi was also on the Nintendo. Most people think Yoshi only started off in Super Mario World, but really, he also was on the Nintendo. Wow. Though, yeah, okay, and this is my Dragon Ball Z collection. Look at that! Bobblehead Vegeta! Careful, I broke his foot when I was 10, and now I had to super glue it back, but you couldn't tell. Oh, look at that! It's Lord Cooler! He was from that one movie, and they had Drowning Pool music in it. I wasn't a fan of the music. Personally, I wish they would have kept the original soundtrack intact. Oh yeah, this is my Marvel collection. Look at that. That's Magneto himself. And there's Doc Ock in his desperate struggle with Spider-Man. Oh, and look at that! It's the badass himself, Deadpool! I really do like all this stuff. Look, I'll show you my favorite movie. I really like Jim Carrey in this movie. And that other guy, look at the way he's struggling with his hair. It's like, oh man. Oh, let me show you my Star Wars poster. Now look at that. They put Anakin right in the middle. George Lucas in your turkey neck. Why would you do such a thing? Look at that. Mark Hamill has to play second fiddle to Hayden Christensen. And there's Natalie Portman looking over. And there's Jango Fett dissing the entire franchise. Oh, and look, we actually, if you want to know a secret, Darth Vader's on here 3 times. Look, that right there's Anakin, that right there's Anakin, and that right there's Anakin again. Whoa, it's like he's the main character or something. Oh yeah, look at this cool comic book. What if Spider-Man kept his 6 arms? Oh, I didn't know he ever had 6 arms. Actually, I did. I read it when it first came out. Well, actually, when I first got my hands on it. Oh, let me show you my video games. This is my all-time favorite game, DDR. I could get some sweet moves on those songs. Oh, and I like to play this game too. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Lego Star Wars. It's the Platinum Hits version because I couldn't get it until it was, you know, a good seller. Oh, did I tell you I really like Star Wars? Look at that. That guy, did you know that the main character of this game was also in a season of Smallville? Yeah, he was in season 8. Look, I'll show you right now. Look, that's season 8, and there he is right there on the back. Wow, mind blown. That's really awesome what they're doing, I think. Oh, I almost forgot. I didn't show you my Harry Potter collection. Here it is. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, wow, what a sweet collection. The only problem is, I'm missing Prisoner of Azkaban. Oh, looks like Sirius Black got away again. Oh, I almost forgot. My all-time favorite TV show. I gotta go find it. You're gonna love this. Look at that. What do the numbers mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like it's some kind of meaning to it. 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42. Oh, and look, to tell you I'm serious about it, I got the entire encyclopedia. That way I can read up on Jack, Sawyer, Hugo, and everybody else. Oh, look at that. I'll show you a quick little picture. Let's find something good. Oh, let's see. Here we go. Yeah. Hieroglyphic symbols. What do they mean? Ooh. Look at that. It's Jin. And there's Jin and some other guy. Nah, I know who that guy is. That's the episode where he came over and said, I'll handle this. And then, like, Jin came in. And, well, they sure do have a lot of stuff on him. And look, it's Juliet. Oh, yeah. Potential love interest for Jack. Look at that. It's room 23, subliminal messages all in one nice, easy to see picture. All right. Oh, look. Don't tell me what I can't do. Don't make videos on YouTube showing people all your stuff. Don't tell me what I can't do. Well, I really hope you guys had a good time looking at all my stuff. And, oh, one more thing. Look at that. Oh, it's Hey Arnold. Stoop Kid's afraid to leave a stoop. Oh, all right. Well, you guys have yourself a good evening, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this to my YouTube, all right? Have a good day.